In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover abandoned carts on Shopify. If you've ever worked with an e-commerce store, you know that abandoned carts are a common challenge. Many customers add items to their cart but leave before completing the purchase. This video will guide you through techniques to help you recover those lost sales and boost your revenue. First, let's dive into setting up abandoned cart recovery emails, one of the most effective methods to re-engage potential customers. You'll need to start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to Settings in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on Checkout. Now, here's a useful tip. It's important to enable the option that allows customers to check out using either their email or their phone number. This way, you ensure you can follow up with them, regardless of the information they provide. Now let's focus on configuring your abandoned checkout emails. Head over to the Notifications section. Here, you'll find the Abandoned Checkout Email option. You want to ensure this feature is enabled, so email reminders are automatically sent to customers who leave without completing their purchase. Remember, timing is crucial. The optimal window to send these reminders is within 24 hours of the cart being abandoned, but you're free to customize the timing based on what works best for your audience. Crafting a compelling email is essential. Personalize your email to include the customer's name and remind them of the specific items left behind in their cart. A gentle reminder about any special discounts, limited time offers, or popular stock running low can add urgency and encourage them to return. It's all about making the email feel personal and urgent without being too pushy. Now let's consider offering incentives. Encouraging checkout completion can often be achieved through strategic use of discounts and special offers. You might offer a small discount or free shipping. Doing so can tip the scales in your favor and turn an indecisive visitor into a paying customer. Connect with potential customers through multiple touch points. Incorporate social media-friendly reminders into your recovery strategy. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram can be effective for targeting customers who've visited your site but didn't purchase. Use retarget ads with engaging visuals and clear calls to action. As we wrap up today's video, remember that monitoring performance is an ongoing task. Use Shopify's analytics tools to evaluate the impact of your cart recovery efforts. Regularly analyze data to identify which strategies are most effective and make adjustments as necessary to improve conversions. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hopefully, these strategies and insights will help you effectively recover abandoned carts and drive more sales to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.